You want to start from here?
Yeah. Thank you. Tuh.
The throttle there.
Yeah.
Instead of rolling off. Because normal on the jump, you see you roll off, that's why
Yeah.
I jump. But after that, you start to be able to do it.
Yes.
But over here, down here, the same concept. Yeah, if you
Body.
yeah, you need to move your body just like a bit. Stand up.
Very
Yeah, just a
big.
bit only.
Oh,
Not
really?
stay forward. Forward is only for corner.
Okay.
Because you want to plant the front. But on the jump, you want to move your weight back a bit.
Yeah,
Go to
bit
the
and then
front.
full truth.
Yeah, not necessarily full, but just keep it there.
Keep it there.
Don't roll off.
Don't roll off.
Because when you roll off, your whole weight transfers to the front. That's why the bike dies.
Yeah.
You can feel it, right?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah, but it can be tiring. If you feel tired, but otherwise you're doing fine.
Okay.
Okay? Make sure it's on third gear.
Third gear.
Yeah, sometimes you accidentally go to second gear because after the jump, your leg move forward.
Yeah.
And then hit the gear down.
Yeah, I see.
Because your bike will kick off. So make sure your bike is off. But more importantly, is to throttle through. Because if you don't throttle through, the bump will hit the bike. And then your
I will.
body move up. And then